In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to whitelist an email in Yahoo. Whitelisting makes sure messages from a trusted sender don't get lost in spam and land exactly where you want them. We'll do this by creating a simple filter in Yahoo Mail, and I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish. Begin by opening your web browser and going to yahoo.com. In the upper right corner of the Yahoo homepage, look for the sign in option and click it. Follow the on-screen prompts to sign into your account. You may be asked for verification, just complete the process and wait a moment while Yahoo logs you in. Once you're signed in, click Mail to open your inbox. In the Mail view, head to the top right and click the gear icon to open Settings. A quick menu appears. Choose More Settings to open the full settings panel. On the left side, select Filters. This is where we can create rules that route messages automatically so you never miss important emails. Click Add New Filter. Give your filter a clear, memorable name. Using whitelist is a good choice so you can recognize it later. Next, set the filtering condition. You'll see options to choose a criterion. Typically, selecting the From field works best for this purpose. Set the condition to contain so the filter catches messages from the sender you trust, even if other parts of the address vary slightly. In the value box, type the sender's email address or domain you want to allow. Keeping this precise helps avoid capturing messages you didn't intend. Now choose where those messages should go. Click a select folder and pick the folder you want to receive these emails in. If you already have a folder named Whitelist, select that. If not, choosing your inbox or another dedicated folder you use to track important mail works well. This makes it easy to review trusted messages at a glance. When everything looks right, click Save. That's it. From now on, any new email that matches your filter will be delivered to the folder you selected, helping it bypass spam and stay visible. A few quick tips to keep things tidy. Use specific criteria so you don't accidentally funnel unrelated emails. Review your filters occasionally to keep them up to date. And remember, you can edit or remove this filter anytime in the same filter section. If you rely on multiple trusted senders, you can create additional filters later following the same approach. You've successfully set up a whitelist filter in Yahoo Mail. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more reliable inbox.